We call this one playing in the wrong key. Mm-hmm. So we explained it to you earlier what it was. So we want to know. Give me one. What's playing in the wrong key for J. Carlos?
Playing in the wrong key for J. Carlos is turning that mic down in the middle of the song.
Okay.
Like I'm doing management on the mic. So if I'm loud, I'm pulling it back. If I'm low, I'm taking it forward. But if you keep turning that mic down, now I'm singing too hard. Yeah. I ain't gonna be able to last the whole way through because I done burnt myself out. So I'll just take it farther than turning the mic down. Just inexperienced sound, man.
Ooh,
is what I'm gonna say. Inexperienced sound, man.
Well, that's boy.
Inexperienced sound, man.
Come to my well, let me stop.
Listen.
Come on,
don't
man.
start, Lou.
That might be some members watching. So
man, listen.
Come on, man. If you turning that gain up and I can hear what you doing, bro. Man. What you doing,
Inexperienced sound, man.
And if you gonna be inexperienced and not being willing to listen to what we saying.
Because some of them are arrogant.
Man, what? Bro, like what you doing, bro? Like,
I've been doing this for 32 years.
Yeah, that's cool, but you're doing it wrong today.
Wrong for 32 years.
Man.
Just loud and wrong.
Right.
Loud and wrong, because loud ain't always better.
Yeah, dude.
Loud is not always better.
Dude, talk about it, man.
No, sir. So inexperienced sound men and not being willing to listen while being inexperienced.